Good morning, student. Today we are going to start our chapter 1 of history. What, where, how and when. Learning objectives. After completing this module, learners will able to explain why we study history, list the fertile region where people mostly live, discuss the reasons for people moving from one place to another, explain that people also crossed barriers to settle in India, list different ways to know about the past, describe the meaning of dates BC and AD. In this module, we cover what and where. What can we know about the past? History is the study of people and happenings of the past in a chronological order. Studying history helps us to find out about the food, clothes and houses of different people in the past. Basically, history tells us about the ancient culture and lifestyle. Where did people live? People have lived near river valley. This was because rivers provided water for all purposes. For example, Narmada River provided water for several purposes on its banks. Such areas had vast wealth of resources in the form of forests and animals. Wheat and barley were the first crops grown at Suleiman and Kirthar hills in the northwest. Garo hills and Vindhyas had a rich agricultural expanse. Rice was first grown at the north of the Vindhyas. Cities were developed on the banks of the Ganga river and its tributaries. In ancient times, the area along the south of the Ganga was known as Magadha. Its rulers set up a large and powerful kingdom. Kingdoms were set up in other parts of the country as well. Throughout, people moved mainly in search of food and other basic needs, and also to escape from natural calamities such as floods and droughts. Some people traveled for adventure and to discover new places. Such movements helped to exchange customs and traditions. Hills, mountains, and seas acted as natural barriers for India. People crossed these barriers to come and settle in India. This led to people of different customs and traditions live at one place. Thank you.